my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Today let us continue the fractions lesson, in that multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. What do you mean multiplication? As I told you in the earlier class also, multiplication. Multiplication is, now for example, 3 4s are means 12. How you got 3 4s are 12? 3 is repeated 4 times. 3 is repeated 4 times. If you add also, you are going to get the answer 12. In the same way, 3 is repeated 4 times. It is written in the form of multiplication. The answer will be the same. In that way, multiplication is nothing but repeated of addition. This you must know these things. So today in that the same multiplication let us do with the fractions. Let us do with the fraction. In that the first point you have to concentrate with that multiplication of fraction by a whole number. As you have know that whole number means the numbers begin with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So let us continue. How the multiplication of fraction by the help of the whole number. Now the same thing. Now for example, any diagram you consider any diagram. These diagrams we have to multiply. Now here 3 pictures are there. In these 3 pictures, one part is selected. Already you know that this is, we are representing total number of parts are 4. In that 1 is selected. Total number of parts are 4. 1 is selected. Total number of parts is 4. 1 is selected. This we have to multiply. Means 1 upon 4. As the denominators are same, we can add directly. You are going to get the answer 3. But now we have to do in the same thing in the form of multiplication. The question will be as it is your question, 3 into 1 upon 4. 3 into 1 upon 4. How you have to do with the whole number? Here 3 is the whole number. 1 upon 4 is fraction. Now multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Now I am going to multiply. How to multiply? You must, here the method is, whatever the whole number you have to multiply with the numerator and the denominator will be the same. The denominator will be the same. This is a concept you understood. The same thing you have got here. Means 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. If you add 3 times also, you will get the same thing. Multiplication is nothing but repeated of addition, because 1 upon 4 is repeated 3 times, you have to multiply. So you have to multiply to the numerator. You have to multiply to the whole number, multiply to the numerator, and the denominator will be the same. So in this way you have to do it. Now okay, if it is whole number you have to do it. If it is a fraction in this way, you have to do it. If it is the fraction is in the form of mixed fraction. If it is in the form of mixed fraction means how it will be, the complete picture will be selected and another half picture. Here one complete picture and here 1 upon 2. This you have to I think multiplied by 4, or if they are asking you to multiply by 4. How will you do it? If it is in the form of mixed fraction, you always, every time you must remember that when it is in the form of mixed fraction, just you convert into improper fraction. As earlier I told you, the denominator must multiply with the whole number, plus that product has to be into 2 ones are 2 plus 3. The answer is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. So now you have to multiply 4 into 3 upon 2. As I told you just now, you have got in the same format. The whole number should be multiplied with the numerator. 4 3s are 12 upon the denominator will be the same. How? I have shown only one picture here. This is, I have to repeat how many times? 4 times I should repeat. How many times? This is 1 time over, 2 time if you want. I will show you. This is 2 times. This is the 3rd time. This is the 4th time. Here shaded part you have to calculate. Shaded part, number of parts will be the 4. Half of the things. Half they have considered. 1 and half. 1 and half. 1 and half. So how much total first? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But half of the part. Here 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hope you got the same answer. 12 upon 2. This is in the form of mixed fraction. This one is indicating whole. This is the whole picture. Then half. So it is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times it is repeated. That I have multiplied. Then you have got this. So now you understood that how to multiply with the whole number. If it is in the form of mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction and you have to write the same way you have to start the multiplication. Now one more thing, let us find out multiplication. The fraction as an operator we consider as off. We consider as off. For example, the same example I will take half of the things. Half of the things we have taken half. And another half I will take. This is another half. This is actually in the one of the picture, half is the part. Half of 1. If we write in the word half of 1, half of 1. This is if we write in the form of word. Why of means it is a part of that the given picture. If I put it in both I put it together means it becomes both half. If I put it together it becomes complete half. Half is repeated how many times? 2 times. I mean you have to multiply it by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then it cancel. You will get the one complete picture. Hope you understood that half of 1 means this half is of one item. This half is of one item. Now both if we have to add to put it together means I have to multiply both. If I were to add 2 times, half is repeated 2 times, so half into 2, then 2 upon 2. As we have learned that 2 has to be, the whole number has to be multiplied with the numerator 2 upon 2. Then if you make it simplification 2 ones, then you will get the answer 1. Even in the picture also you have got the answer 1. So of, the word of indicates what? Multiplication. The word of indicates multiplication. Here today in this class we have learned that how to multiply the fractions. Multiply is nothing but repeated of addition. When you are going to multiply the fraction, the first thing is you have to multiply it with the numerator. The denominator will be the same. If the given fraction is in the form of mixed fraction, you are first due to convert into the improper fraction. Then as it is, you have to multiply to the numerator. The denominator will be the same. Hope you understood how to do the multiplication of fraction. Thank you.